Pepper, Pepper, dear Pepper, dear Pepper, meow. Pepper, he's a pretty girl. And then who that? Is that Neezer? Is that Neezer and Pepper? What are you doing, Pepper?
Hey, I'm shaking my paws for you. Shaking my paws.
What are you doing?
Hi, baby. Was that good?
Oh, Pepper. Oh my. Climb, climb, climb with them claws. Meow. Meow.
Hi, honey. Hi,
Pepper. With a big belly, Mama to be. Meow. Pepper.
Can I get the wet wipe? Look at their paws. They're all dirty.
Pepper.
You're getting me all sticky. You're getting me all sticky.
Meow. Meow. We're watching Mommy to be and Pepper. Mama, happy Mother's Day. Are you having a good mommy day?
I am having a good mommy day, except that it's cold in here. My headlights are on.
I lowered it so it won't get much colder. Neezer, what are you doing over there?
Say,
Let me get a close-up of Neezer here.
my
Hey there, my Neezer.
Oh, did I let her?
Hey, my Neezer. Hey there, my baby. What's up, my pretty little boy?
Look at that, I got 15 minutes.
Neezer. Hi there, my baby.
See that free here.
Who's my little guy? Huh? Yeah. He's my little buddy. He's my little Neezer. He's my little buddy. He's my little buddy boy, huh, Neezer? He's so tiny. He's about 8-9 months now. That's my buddy. Yeah. What are you gonna do, Neezer Weezer? What you doing here, buddy?
What else is on?
I'm looking.
Where's Ebony? I haven't seen Ebony all day. Is he out?
Like a queen of the elephants. Oh, what was that, cake boss?
Yeah.
No, he makes dynamite cakes.
Hey there, little Pepper.
Boat and bamboozle.
Hey there, little Pepper. Pepper's only about 4 weeks. What are you doing, Pepper?
Quarters, oh God.
Hey, little girl. Hey, little bobtail.
They're still asleep.
Pepper.
Like, bombs away.
He has no fear in this little one. He has no fear.
I need your help, buddy. Whatever you need, I'm here for you. You know that, Maria. I'm calling you.
Okay, we say bye-bye now. Hey there, Neezer. You want to say bye? Yeah? Neezer, my little kitty boy. Mommy. Here, take a picture of my face.
Okay, take a picture of your face here.
It's rolling.
There's rolling. There's your face.
Oh, it's rolling.
Look at Daddy. This is what Daddy.
This is why I look at my dude.
Yeah, there it goes. There's man boobies.
Okay. Get away, I tried.
And this is my little eye lady baby.
And she's Mother's Day to be.
Yeah, how do you stop this?
Just hit the red button.
Okay.